In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your transfer case shift motor, which is this one right here. It shifts into and out of four-wheel drive for you, so let's get started. So to start, let's grab a 13mm socket, unbolt this side of this brace here. What I want to do now is, because we don't actually have to remove it, I'm going to just take off this one bolt. The other one will still hold it up. I will loosen it though. And now, we can pivot it like this, get access to what we need, and I'll just tie this up with a bungee cord so it can be supported while we work. And now with the shield off, you can see the transfer case motor right here. I'm going to start by unplugging the main connector, the power wire, to the motor. This often is very stuck here because of sand buildup inside. Yep, there we go, shake that out. Now if you look towards the top, you'll see this connector over there. Sometimes it has a red locking tab, which you'll have to pry out of the way. Ours does not. Press on this and try to slide it out. There we go, also full of sand. And now we just have to unbolt the three 10mm bolts and get the motor out of here. There it is. Make sure the surface is nice and clean. Now take your new motor and make sure that that lines up with the shaft in there. If it doesn't, you can always plug it in and then operate it and make it turn, basically. Oh, there we go. That just lined up. So now, okay. Spun it that way manually. Make sure that's pressed in all the way. Put in the bolts. And let's tighten them up. And I'm just going to double check them by hand, make sure they're nice and snug. Go ahead and plug it in. Bring the shield back, line it up, and let's bolt it back up. And with the other side bolt in, you can go ahead and test out your four-wheel drive. Just make sure you're on a surface where it's not going to bind up. Don't do it on dry, grippy pavement. Do it somewhere with gravel or in the snow.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.